I have been aware that I needed a new roof for a couple of years. So I called actually 3 other companies plus Guardian. The salesperson came out very punctually, made me feel comfortable immediately, was extremely professional. I just have to say that of all the roofers I've talked with, he was the most thorough in his getting up on the roof, taking a moisture meter to the chimney, videotaping the whole process. It was wonderful to see all the factual information he gathered. He got up into the attic space and checked underneath the roof. No one else had done that. He came back with the quote and showed me the video. And he was extremely personable, practical, very clear communication, very realistic about what my needs were. Customer service was wonderful with Guardian. They sent out Andrew Clark, who was head and shoulders the best person that I've talked with about this roof, above all the others. He did such a thorough job. And I feel 100% confident to recommend Guardian to friends and family